welcome back to our new video. You tried the new hair color feature, but something is off. The color is way too bright, it looks flat like plastic, or it doesn't match the lightening of your skin at all. You wanted a natural looking hair, but you got a cartoon wig. So the problem is usually that the AI applies the color evenly across the entire head, ignoring the highlights and shadows that give real hair depth and actual dimensions. According to the official app description, FaceApp allows you to change your hair color and hairstyle and also add volume to your hair, but to make it look real, you need to layer the effects subtly. So in today's small tutorial, we're going to go through how to fix unrealistic hair color in FaceApp, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, try to reduce the intensity, don't max it out. Most users immediately set the filter intensity to 100%, which is why it looks fake. Instead, apply the hair color and immediately use the trend slider to reduce the opacity between 40 and 70%. So this allows your natural hair highlights to peek through, creating a much more realistic, multi-dimensional color. You can also use the eraser to add more highlights. After applying a reduced trend color, use the eraser tools to gently brush over the top of your head where light naturally hits, erasing the effect slightly from the crown, and the ends create a natural gradient or ombre effect. Simultaneous sunlight bouncing off the hair. This breaks up the flat, unique color that makes the AI edit look fake. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.